Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who enjoys staying up to date with the latest software updates on your Galaxy devices, then you'll definitely want to hear about what's been happening with Samsung's One UI 7 update. Things were off to a great start, but it didn't take long for some major problems to show up. So, what exactly went wrong? Let's talk about it in simple terms. At the beginning of April 2025, Samsung officially began rolling out its One UI 7 update, which is based on Android 15. The update started arriving on devices like the Galaxy S24 series, the Z Fold 6, and the Z Flip 6. It was supposed to enhance the overall user experience with smoother performance, a fresh design, and some cool new AI-powered features. On paper, it sounded like the kind of update Galaxy users would really enjoy. But just a few days after the rollout started, things started going downhill. As soon as users got the update, particularly in South Korea, they began reporting a huge problem. After installing One UI 7, they were completely unable to unlock their phones. This wasn't just a small glitch. It affected both Exynos and Snapdragon versions of the Galaxy S24 models, which made the issue pretty widespread and serious. As the complaints started stacking up, Samsung was quick to acknowledge the problem and began looking into it. But that wasn't the only issue users discovered. Another big concern came up involving the secure folder, a feature meant to keep your private files protected and hidden. After the update, some users noticed that private photos stored inside the secure folder were somehow showing up in auto-generated stories inside the Gallery app. Yes, you heard that right. Pictures that were meant to be locked away and kept private were now being displayed publicly inside the app's Stories section. That's a major privacy issue. After confirming both the unlocking issue and the secure folder bug, Samsung decided to pause the One UI 7 update rollout globally. They've taken down the update files from their servers to prevent more users from getting affected. Samsung is now working to fix these bugs, though they haven't shared an official date yet for when a corrected version of the update will be available. However, they have promised to come up with a new update plan once everything is fixed and fully secure. Now, if you're someone who already installed One UI 7 and you're having trouble, especially if you can't unlock your phone, the best thing to do right now is to reach out to Samsung support for help. And if you're worried about the secure folder issue, here's a simple fix you can try. Go into your Gallery app settings while inside the secure folder, and disable the Auto Create Stories option. That should stop any private photos from being shown automatically. This whole situation is a strong reminder of why proper testing is so important before rolling out a major update like this. Sure, we all get excited about new features and improvements, but bugs like these can seriously affect the user experience. The good thing is, Samsung acted fast and took steps to prevent more users from facing these problems. At this point, it's just a matter of waiting for the stable, fixed version to be released. In the meantime, make sure to keep checking Samsung's official pages so you don't miss any new announcements or updates. That's it for today, Vision Tech fans. If you've run into any of these issues or have any questions, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments. We're here to chat and help out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, be sure to click the bell icon so you never miss a thing. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.